Arctic wild forest berries are superior in flavor and tastiness. They are also packed with vitamins, polyphenols and essential micronutrients. When fresh berries are not available, you can use dried berry products in your favorite recipes. They retain the same healthy components without losing their amazing taste. Now I'm making buckwheat pancakes. First, I will mix the dry ingredients together. Buckwheat flour, baking powder, lingonberry powder, sugar and good quality salt. And then in another bowl I will put milk, melted butter and an egg. And now the dough is ready and we can make pancakes.